Welcome to this introduction to biotechnology. Biotechnology is a fascinating field that bridges biology and technology. It represents the application of biological knowledge to create practical solutions for human needs. Throughout this video, we will explore what biotechnology means, how it has evolved from ancient practices to modern innovations, and why it matters in our daily lives. Let's begin our journey into the world of biotechnology. So, what exactly is biotechnology? Biotechnology is defined as the use of living organisms or their products to modify human health and the human environment. This means we take advantage of natural biological processes and organisms like bacteria, yeast, plants, and animals to produce useful products or solve problems. The key aspect here is that we are using life itself as a tool. Whether it's a tiny microorganism or a complex plant, biotechnology harnesses the power of living things to benefit humanity. Biotechnology can be divided into two main branches: traditional and modern. Traditional biotechnology refers to ancient practices that humans have used for thousands of years. These methods rely on natural biological processes without directly manipulating genes. Modern biotechnology, on the other hand, involves advanced techniques where scientists can directly alter the genetic material of organisms. This includes recombinant DNA technology and genetic engineering. Both branches are important, but they differ significantly in their methods and sophistication. Let's look at some examples of traditional biotechnology that you might already be familiar with. Bread making is a perfect example. When bakers add yeast to dough, the yeast cells ferment the sugars and produce carbon dioxide gas, which makes the bread rise. Similarly, cheese and yogurt production relies on specific bacteria that ferment milk and transform it into these delicious products. Brewing beer and making wine are also traditional biotechnology processes where yeast ferments sugars to produce alcohol. These practices have been used by humans for thousands of years, long before we understood the science behind them. Modern biotechnology takes things to an entirely different level. Unlike traditional methods, modern biotechnology involves the direct manipulation of genetic material and cellular processes. Scientists can identify specific genes, remove them from one organism, and insert them into another. This is done using recombinant DNA and a technology and genetic engineering techniques. These powerful tools allow us to create organisms with desired traits, produce complex medicines, and develop solutions that were impossible with traditional methods. The precision and control offered by modern biotechnology have revolutionized multiple fields. Modern biotechnology has numerous practical applications across different sectors. In medicine, it has enabled the production of insulin for diabetes patients, development of vaccines to prevent diseases, and even gene therapy to treat genetic disorders. In agriculture, scientists have created pest-resistant crops that need fewer pesticides and crops with higher yields to feed growing populations. Industrial biotechnology produces biofuels as alternatives to fossil fuels and biodegradable plastics that are better for the environment. Environmental applications include bioremediation, where organisms clean up pollution, and advanced waste treatment systems. These applications demonstrate how biotechnology addresses real-world challenges. The benefits of biotechnology are substantial and far-reaching. First, it contributes to improved food security and nutrition by helping us produce more food and develop crops with enhanced nutritional content. This is crucial for feeding the world's growing population. Second, biotechnology enables the development of new medicines and treatments that save lives and improve health outcomes. From personalized medicine to targeted cancer therapies, the medical applications continue to expand. Third, biotechnology provides sustainable solutions for environmental challenges. It helps us reduce pollution, develop renewable energy sources, and create eco-friendly products. These benefits make biotechnology essential for our future. As we conclude, Remember that biotechnology represents our ability to harness the power of living organisms to solve complex problems and improve life on Earth. From the ancient art of bread making to cutting-edge gene therapy, biotechnology has been and will continue to be central to human progress. As we face challenges like climate change, disease, and resource scarcity, biotechnology offers hope and practical solutions. The future belongs to those who understand and apply biological knowledge technologically. This is just the beginning of your journey into biotechnology. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.